everybody, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace NC. I am so excited. Last video I was so tired. I don't know why, because it was late. But last week I went to the Black Entrepreneurship Week in Raleigh, which is very close to where I live, and it was an amazing week. My friend Kim Coles, you guys probably know her from Living Single. She was in town, so she came and got on the panel last minute, and they were so welcoming, and it was just an amazing learning experience with a lot of other Black entrepreneurs. So, you know, I had to jazz up my t-shirt. I can't be regular. I'll show you how to do this in one video. But anyway, so I'm just bringing a lot more energy to this video than I did the last time. And earlier today, I was working with a member of my team, Amy, who was helping me to do some coloring. And as I was doing some of that, I realized, hey, I should be showing you guys some of what I am doing. And so it's kind of midway in the process, but I'm going to show you how to untangle some of the tangled parts of the of your wig if you're experiencing that. So it is a co-wash, but I'm just working with a wig that's a little bit more tangled because it just went through the bleaching and dyeing process. So I want to show you how to do that gently but effectively. And then what else do I want to show you? I will dry it and everything offline using the diffuser as usual. So I'll go through the same process as I did for the co-wash video, but just much shorter since you have that one. And then I'll show you the finished product. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my ponytail. You like it? So this is one of my ponytails from the Easy Like Sunday Morning. I'm gonna take it off real quick and show you how easy it is to put it on. I had to do some fancy stuff on it just because I'm extra, but anyway, it's easy to come off like this. And this is my hair, and this morning I just parted it and put it in two-strand twist, and then I got my ponytail like this, and I just put it in the bag. I didn't need it, but you know, I just wanted, I'm like my walking brand here, so I had to show everybody at Walmart how awesome my hair is. Pull this around, and that's it. That's my ponytail. So anyway, getting back to the video. So this is the wig I'm going to work on. Isn't that a beautiful color? It already has the conditioner in it. It's been washed. All the dye has been washed out. And so what I wanted to show you is some of the more tangled parts of the wig and the technique I use to detangle it. Again, the wet brush is what I recommend, and I'm actually going to create a bundle on my website so you can buy everything you need. The wet brush, the Denman brush, and maybe even some of the products that I use in one bundle, so you'll have everything. So I just want to show you how I get, if you have one of these, I hope you've gone out and gotten one, or maybe you won the brush giveaway and have one now. One of my customers, she's so wonderful, she said she won one of the brushes, and she said the brush was so beautiful she doesn't think she's gonna use it. So anyway, use your brush. And so this is what I wanted to show you, okay? So you might be brushing and you know, you feel that tangle in it. So what I do is just kind of go sideways a little bit, and then so I'm just going sideways a little bit just to give it a little more, and it's okay to pull through because the bristles will kind of bend, and then I'm coming back in, and you see it's coming out pretty good. So here, I'm just, again, going sideways a little bit just to make it less thick, and then going in, okay? So now it brushes through really smoothly. And here too, I'm just going sideways a little bit and then coming in. Okay, so I'm gonna do that all the way through. So again, this is the conditioner that's in it. So I'm brushing through. This is a R-E-S-P-E-C-T wig, by the way, and we colored it our, oh my goodness, what's the name of this color? Don't shoot me. It's Fiery Copper or something like that. It's on the website. I'm so sorry. But anyway, if you like it, just go online and you can order it there, or you can just send me an email. And I don't know if you noticed, but on the website, there is a link that you can click to leave a voicemail. And what will happen is you just speak into your device, your laptop or your phone or whatever device you're using, your tablet, and it will actually send me a recording right to my email, so I can actually listen to your question and respond back just as easily. So check that out if you want to leave a message and you don't want to type, or you think your question is a little more involved, then it's easy to type it out in an email. So just use that feature. It's a really cool feature. So anyway, so I'm just, again, brushing this out like you saw in the co-wash video, all around, all around. I'm just turning it on the underside, getting it all brushed out. And then I'm gonna rinse this, and like I've told you before, you want to, I recommend diffusing to dry your rhythm wigs and not air drying. You can air dry, but I just think the curls look so dope when you do the diffuser. It dries it pretty quickly. And yeah, so the other thing I want to mention is when you, if you have a wig that is colored, fully colored, it's not really that necessary with just a highlights, but if it's fully colored like this one, you do want to leave the conditioner in for a while, 30 minutes, an hour, just to get it really, really soaked into the hair strands, and that will really bring the curls back very nicely, because when we are coloring it, you know, as with our own hair, the bleaching process does loosen the hair the curls of the hair. So I'm just going to rinse this out, and I'm going to show you how much shedding I got. Okay, this is how much shedding I got. So again, this hair has been manipulated quite a bit. We've bleached it, we have colored it, really pulling at it, and do not be alarmed when you see this level of shedding. This is a little more than you should expect, to be honest, because again, your wigs are already, this coloring process is already done, and we've already brushed out anything loose that comes with that. But I just want to be honest, this level of shedding should not be unexpected, but I tell you, the hair that we use and the thickness of the wefts, they really hold up. We're going into almost the end of the second year on some of the wigs that we started with, and they are still looking amazing. So we really stand by the quality of our products. So again, I'm just rinsing this out. I'm not going to keep you too much longer because I'm going to dry it off camera. But you see, I'm not doing a bunch of agitation on the hair. I'm just soaking it and then just squeezing it down. That's it right there. Okay, so all right, I won't keep you. I just want to remind you that what comes next is putting on, oh, I forgot my spray. All right, you put on a little leave-in conditioner first, okay, all around, just spray it on, and then you come in with the You Go Curl. That's about how much I'm going to use for this length of hair, this wig, about that much. Again, I don't over productize. I don't put too much product on these wigs. I don't recommend that, because then you'll want to wash it more frequently, and washing really does impact the longevity of the wig. So you don't want to overwash them, so don't put too much product on them. So after the You Go curl, then I come in with some oil, just like I did on the co-wash. So I'm gonna do that offline because I don't have my leave-in in here. And then I will come back with some pictures on how it looks when it's done. Maybe I'll even put it on. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Ta-ta! Okay, guys, don't be alarmed. This is how it looks after I dried it, okay? But I want you to really think of your rhythm wig the way that you would think about your hair, right? If you have an afro, you don't just dry it and keep going. You have to pick it out a little bit. So, sorry, I don't have my video set up well. So I'm just using the pick and just picking it out a little bit, get it to the shape that I like. Like that, and keep playing with it until you get it just the way you like it. It's an afro. So I just want to show you the color. A beautiful color. So that's it. An awesome afro. Wakanda forever.